story about moving mind. Moving mind. Two men were arguing about a flag flapping in the wind. "It is the wind that is really moving," said the first man. "No, it is the flag that is moving," demanded the second man. A Zen master who happened to be walking by overheard the debate and interrupted them. "Neither the flag nor the wind is moving," the Zen master said. "It is the mind that moves." Thank you, friends. See you on the next story.